trampoline jumping. I'm gonna zoom in. Okay, this is what we did. We put bubbles and water on the trampoline, and now we're jumping, and this is the result. Oh my gosh, seriously, go ahead.
I'm afraid.
This is what we do. An egg? I don't think this is safe. And this has been jumping with bubbles. Woo! Someone flip it out. We're jumping with bubbles.